Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling the microphone and granting Google the necessary permissions. This is essential so commands get through. Once done, open the Google app and set your preferred language because recognition depends on it. Next, position yourself in a quiet room and plug in a headset if available to reduce noise. Now say the wake phrase clearly and wait for the beep. Don't rush. Speaking naturally improves results and primes the system for the next step. You now train and calibrate by using specific, short commands so the model learns your speech patterns. Begin with basic verbs like open, call, or send, followed by the app or contact. Consistency matters. If Google prompts you to train a voice model, accept and repeat the sample sentences exactly as shown. Practice saying names, addresses, and digits since these often cause errors. Make adjustments and repeat until recognition exceeds your comfort level. This reduces mistakes when you use more complex commands. You finish by executing chain tasks and learning quick recovery steps. Say sequences with short pauses or commas, like open calendar, create event tomorrow 10 a.m., because Google parses chunks better. Always confirm critical actions aloud when Google asks so you avoid unintended changes. If something is misheard, respond immediately with undo or repeat the full phrase slowly and clearly to reissue the command. Troubleshooting tip: restart the app and retest voice model training if
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.